Amazon prioritizes Google traffic more than their own traffic. So if I type
Yeah.
in the word bed sheet in Google right now and I buy a product, oh my Google just went off, and then um, and buy it through Google, I will get ranked higher for the keyword bed sheet. But if I type in bed sheet in Amazon and buy the bed sheet, I'm not going to get ranked as high. It's almost it's almost they prioritize it almost 3 times more than their own traffic. So that tells me they love all that external traffic. They prioritize all that external
Exactly.
traffic. And they're
And
not going to say, "Oh, sorry guys, no more external traffic. If you use external traffic, you're banned." Like, no, that's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. They prioritize
right.
it. So, with this whole all this shenanigans that are going on with Amazon right now, external traffic will always be an option and it will always benefit you in some way. Whether it's like higher conversion rate because most people are Amazon customers already, whether if it's just increasing sales velocity, which increases search rank, whatever it may be, Amazon's always going to reward you for sending external traffic to their site because they are incentivized by it. So
Right.
like that's where this whole conversation goes to. So no matter what, if you don't use super URLs, if you don't use search find buy, whatever matters, you will gain more sales benefit no matter what. And as Amazon in 10 years from now, if you send external traffic to Amazon 10 years from now, you will somehow benefit from it. I guarantee it. So
Exactly.
that's what's
Yeah.
funny within this whole conversation of everything that's going on right now with
Right,
Amazon.
right. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I like totally agree with you because Amazon, it's you should understand that it's like the limited traffic platform, and they couldn't like get any traffic from there. You know, if you will provide Amazon with the additional traffic that then will be converted, and you provide with the new guys who will do some purchases, here it is. You know, you will be ranked. Amazon will provide with the good feedbacks. Like just do it. Like just tell all over the world about the Amazon ads. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And it's really fascinating just that whole conversation. I don't know. I still don't know why Amazon would ever just rank Google higher. Why they prioritize Google's traffic more than anything else right now. Makes no sense to me, but I just know that's what happens. So it's fascinating.